A day after BJP MP and actress Kangana Ranaut's controversial statement on farmers' protest, the Congress aimed at the BJP government over the issue. On Monday, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi criticized Kangana Ranaut's remarks, calling them a gross insult to the farmers of the entire country. In a post on X, he accused the Modi government of failing to fulfill its promises to the farmers and claimed its propaganda machinery was continuously engaged in insulting them. Gandhi wrote in Hindi, the BJP MP labeling the farmers, of whom 700 died during the 378-day marathon struggle, as rapists and agents of foreign forces is yet another proof of the BJP's anti-farmer policies and intentions. Meanwhile, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge also criticized the BJP for Ranaut's statement. He asserted that anti-farmer ideology is embedded in the DNA of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government. In a post on X, Kharge accused Prime Minister Modi of making false promises about forming a committee on MSP and doubling farmers' income. In response to the backlash, the BJP on Monday distanced itself from Ranaut's comments. The party stated that the Lok Sabha MP from Mandi has been directed not to make such statements in the future. The party statement said the statement made by BJP MP Kangana Ranaut regarding the farmers' movement does not reflect the opinion of the party. The Bharatiya Janata Party disagrees with the statement made by Kangana Ranaut.